Hey guys, you're watching Jobs and Education. Do subscribe, like, and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole presenting you the fifth video series of workshop technology for ESET Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh. So today's topic is surface finishing processes. So what is meant by surface treatment process? It is employed for cleaning, providing protective or decorative surface on workpieces. So simply I can say that at the end of the product finishing, so if you give any luster, a color, a appearance, that we can call it as a final treatment process. There are different treatment processes like chemical and mechanical cleaning, painting, plating, galvanizing, anodizing. These are some of the examples of surface treatment processes. The important surface finishing processes are grinding, honing, lapping, super finishing, polishing, buffing. So let's get started with the first question. Which of the following is a surface finishing operation? Out of given options, which is called as a surface finishing operation? The correct answer is B, that is honing. Honing is the surface finishing operation. Moving on to the second question. The process of removing stock from metals and non-metallar surface is known as. So removing stock from metals and non-metals. So that may be lapping, honing, abrasing, or milling. The correct answer is honing. Honing is nothing but removing stocks from metals or non-metals. B is the correct answer. Moving on to the third question. In lapping, following abrasive is used for soft ferrous and non-ferrous metals. So in lapping, silicon carbide or natural corundum, diamond or aluminum oxide may be used. So the correct answer is aluminum oxide is used following. It is an abrasive used in lapping. Fourth question reads, which of the following process has the lowest cutting speed? So lowest cutting speed may be with drilling, honing, milling or turning. So the lowest cutting speed is with honing. B is the correct answer. Fifth question reads, the stock removed in lapping varies from. The stock removed in lapping varies from, maybe out of 4 options, the correct answer is 0.0252 to 0.75 mm. D is the correct answer for lapping stock removal. Sixth question reads, handle lapping is used mainly for. Handle lapping is used mainly for maybe press work dies or races of roller bearings, gears or pistons. So the correct answer is press work dies. A is the correct answer. Seventh question reads, which of the following is the correct range for grain number of the grinding wheel for medium grains? For medium grains, what is the range? Maybe 80 to 180, 220 to 600, 30 to 60 or 10 to 24. So the correct answer for medium grain grind wheel is 30 to 60. Eighth question reads, the grinding operation is a. What is meant by grinding operation? Maybe surface finishing operation or shaping operation, forming operation or dressing operation. So grinding operation means it is a surface finishing operation. A is the correct answer. Ninth question, a grinding wheel marked with C is made with the abrasive. If the grinding wheel is marked with C, what is it? Silicon carbide or aluminum oxide, diamond or corundum. So when it is marked with C, it is nothing but silicon carbide. A is the correct answer. 10th question reads, which of the following grinding machine will give a better result for finishing machining operation? So maybe coarse grain, a fine grain, medium grain or none of the above. So here the correct answer is coarse grain used to finish the machining operation. So A is the correct answer. 11th question, the material removal rate in grinding operation is small due to. So the material removal rate in grinding operation is small. It may be due to positive rake angle or negative rake angle or zero rake angle, or material removal rate does not depend on the rake angle. So the correct answer is negative rake angle. So the grinding operation is, the removal rate in grinding operation is small due to negative rake angle. 12th question, the symbol conventionally used for resinoid bond. So resinoid bond symbol is B. 13th question, lapping is used for maybe heat treated parts or non-heat treated parts, both A and B, or none of the above. Here the correct answer is both A and B, heat treated parts as well as non-heat treated parts. 14th question, which type of polishing wheel is used for coloring and buffing of steel? So maybe bleached unfilled linen, bleached filled calico, special cotton, felt of various grades. Here the type of polishing wheel is used for coloring and buffing of steel is bleached unfilled linen. A is the correct answer. 15th question, lapping is not suitable for. Lapping is not suitable for maybe lead, a brass, tungsten, or copper. So lapping is not suitable for tungsten. C is the correct answer. 16th question, which one of the following is the base metal for the process hot dip coating? So what is the base metal for hot dip coating? Mainly non-ferrous, mainly ferrous, zinc, or copper. So the correct answer for this hot dip coating is mainly ferrous base metal. B is the correct answer. 17th question reads, honing is mostly used for finishing of what? Maybe internal cylindrical surfaces, outer cylinder surfaces, both A and B, none of the above. So honing is mostly used for finishing internal cylindrical surfaces. A is the correct answer. 18th question, in advanced machining processes, what is the full form of EP? EP stands for what? Electroplating or electropolishing or electron pocketing or electrical punching. So the correct answer is B, that is electropolishing. 19th question, which of the following factors reduce strength of casted components? So which of the following factors reduce strength of casted components? Maybe gas cavities, or blowholes, or non-metallic incursions, or all of the above. Here the correct answer is all. Gas cavities, blowholes, non-metallic incursions, these all are going to reduce the strength of the casted components. 20th question, which operation is employed prior to super finishing? So that may be grinding, milling, drilling, or any of the above. So the correct answer is grinding operation is employed prior to super finishing. 21st question, how is the material removed in electropolishing process? Maybe cathodic dissolution or by anodic dissolution or chemical erosion or corrosion, mechanical erosion. So the correct answer is anodic dissolution is used to remove the material in electropolishing process. B is the correct answer. 22nd question, in super finishing operation, so what will happen in super finishing operation? In super finishing operation, the work rotates and the abrasive block reciprocates. B is the correct answer. 23rd question, what is the full form of ECB in advanced machining process? Maybe electrochemical blasting, electrochemical buffing, electron cluster blasting, electron cluster briefing. So ECB stands for electrochemical buffing. B is the correct answer. Buffing means, what is meant by buffing? So buffing is the process, it is used to bring out the luster of metal. A is the correct answer. Luster means it is a shining surface. So buffing is the process of bringing out the luster of metal. A is the correct answer. 25th question, in which of the following processes highly polished steel ball are used instead of abrasive? So in which process that one? So maybe burnishing, honing, lapping, or polishing. So in burnishing, these highly polished steel balls are used in place of abrasive. So this is the end of the video, guys. So all the best for your coming up ECET exam. So thank you for watching this. Share this video to your diploma level students who are preparing for ECET exam. This is your Mahesh Dole signing off.